Technique number 2 that I'll be discussing is a cross multiplication method, wherein you can find which fraction is the largest or which fraction is smallest very easily, by using this cross multiplication method. So let's have a look at it. Yeah. So I have these 4 options. Now, in order to explain you in a very simple way, I've taken very simple examples. Option A is 2 by 3, option B is 7 by 11, option C is 4 by 17, and option D is 5 by 13. So what do we do? Now I have to find out which fraction is the largest. Okay, so let me take the first 2 options, that is 2 by 3 and then 7 by 11. Okay, so what I do is I cross multiply. I have to cross multiply. Fine. So 11 into 2 gives me 22. 3 into 7 gives me 21. Now you have to find out which fraction is greater. Is it 22 or 21? And then it is 22. 22 number is greater than 21, right? So since 22 is greater than 21, undoubtedly 2 by 3 is greater than 7 by 11, and then I rule out this option B. Now what I do is, when I compare A and B, I've already ruled out option B. Now I'll have to compare option A with option C. So option A is 2 by 3, and then I'll have to compare it with 4 by 17. So I cross multiply, right? So 17 into 2 gives me 34. 3 into 4 gives me 12. Now, which fraction is greater? Undoubtedly, see, number 34 is greater than 12. So this fraction 2 by 3 will be larger than 4 by 17, and then hence this option is ruled out. Now the grand finale, I just have to compare now with option A with option D and then check and see which fraction is the largest, and that will be my answer. So what I'm going to do is, I have already striked out option B and then option C. I'm now comparing option A, that is 2 by 3, with option B, which is 5 by 13. So I use the same cross multiplication method, wherein I cross multiply 13 with 2 and then 3 with 5. So 13 into 2 gives me 26. 3 into 5 gives me 15. Undoubtedly, I know that 26 is greater than 15. So what I do is I retain 2 by 3 and then I strike out the option 5 by 30. Fine. So what we are doing is, by using the cross multiplication method, very confidently we can tell that option A is right, and then B, C, and D is ruled out, and option A is the largest fraction. So what I've done is, I have given the explanation. See, whatever I've explained you can see it in this particular slide. So wherein I've taken 2 by 3 and 7 by 13. I cross multiplied, I got an answer. We know that 22 is greater than 21. So I strike out 7 by 11 and then I retain 2 by 3. And then I keep comparing, till I find the correct answer.